Hi Year 11, here is a quick guide for Criteria 5 production planning. There are three elements: producing a production plan, technical drawings, and cutting list. So a production plan is a document where you outline all the steps that are necessary to manufacture your product. So it should be numbered, you should describe the process, the equipment, say how long it's going to take, talk about quality control. Now this just means how will you ensure that it is made correctly into a high standard. So we're talking about things like checking dimensions, checking the quality of materials before you begin, checking the quality of the work after you've completed. You need to talk about the safety of yourself and other people, and you need to do this for each of the components you're going to be making, how the components are going to be assembled, and all the finishes. So that's production plan. Here is a different format. So this is done as a flow chart, just explaining the various steps. So both of these are options. If you are using the CNC router, this is the process showing how it's going to be manufactured and showing the layout of the tool paths. So if you're making extensive use of the CNC processes, you need to include this. Orthographic drawing is communicating your ideas in 2 dimensions. So it's drawing it 3 times, the side view, the plan view, and the end view, all of them drawn in 2 dimensions and all fully dimensioned so that someone else is able to manufacture it. Here's another example. Here is a CAD rendering. So the product has been drawn in Fusion and then rendered in CAD. And finally, cutting list. So this is simply all the parts you need to manufacture. We need to know the name of the part, the material, and then we need to know the size, the length, width, and thickness, the quantity, how many you need to make. And that's it. That's the whole of Criteria 5. Additional guidance is, of course, available to you. And here we have a lot of information about how to make orthographic drawings at the top here. So there's a huge amount of resources available to you there. And of course, the section by section breakdown is here. Thanks.